Besides being an integral ingredient in the Indian cuisine, besan, also known as gram flour, can also work magically for your skin. We have heard a lot about besan, that it removes tan, reduces oiliness, helps with acne and scars, gets rid of blackheads and more, which we will put to test using besan as a face cleanser for 7 days straight. So let's get into it. So today is the day 1 and this is how my skin looks in the morning. It is a little bit oily and there is some redness. I'm going to transfer the besan into a dry bottle like this and make sure the bottle is completely dry. So now I'm going to wet my hands and take some besan on my palm. At this point my face is completely dry. I'm going to take about this much of besan and use a few drops of water to get the right paste consistency, and I'm going to use it on my face like I use my face wash. I'll wash this off with some water and this is how my skin looks after using it once. I am pretty impressed how it cleansed my skin just like my regular face wash. I am going to follow this up with my regular skincare routine, which is a toner and a moisturizer. I like patting my skincare into the skin. I feel it gets absorbed better that way. So yeah, besan did cleanse my face and my face is no more oily. It is day 2, my beauties, and before you think otherwise, let me show you that I am wearing a strapless dress. I am done with my shower and now I'm going to do the same drill. Some besan on my palm and massage. Besan also gently exfoliates the skin, so I'm not going to scrub my face this week. I'll skip it and I'll see if it actually gets rid of the dead skin. Now I'll wash this off and be right back. Well, I don't think besan is any less than a face wash. I mean, I had no idea it could actually cleanse my skin so well. But the area around my nose feels a little bit dry, which is why I'm going to moisturize it quickly. I love this Nivea moisturizer. It's a great drugstore option for dry skin, like normal to dry skin. It's a great option. Checking in to the day 3. I applied some makeup yesterday and I feel today my skin is a little clogged up. No worries, let's see if the age-old powder can change that. Wetting my hands first and as usual washing my face with the powder. It is so gentle that I can use it under my eyes without thinking so much. Now I'll wash this off and be right back. So this is how my skin looks. I'm going to apply the moisturizer immediately. Something new that I'm seeing is that besan is really helping me with evening out my skin tone. Welcome to the day 4 and the area around my nose looks so much better and the skin feels good again. I'm going to take some besan on my palm, which are already wet, and I'm going to massage it and rinse off. My skin feels super refreshed and calm. Now I'm going to continue with my regular toner and moisturizer. I'm going to pat all the product into my skin and done. It is day 5, my beauties, and I woke up with a big zit on my forehead. And this strand of hair has no mercy. Anyways, I believe besan can solve my skin problems at least. You see, instantly the skin feels back to normal and brighter. Continuing with my regular skincare, which is the plum toner and Nivea moisturizer. Today I feel like massaging and not patting. And we are done. One more thing that I'm noticing is that the days I'm wearing makeup and the next day my skin feels clogged and irritated. I don't know if it's because of makeup or some other reason. Day 6, and look what I was talking about. I did not use any makeup yesterday and skin looks so much better today. Maybe I need to change my makeup removing products. Anyways, coming back to besan, I'm doing the same drill and I do feel that besan is making a difference in my skin, like in a good way. Today I'm also going to use a mask on my face and see how the combination works. This one is from Plum. It's the green tea clarifying face mask. I'll quickly apply it on my face and I'll keep it on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Last day of testing and I think I have my final views. So I've noticed that after washing my face, it did not dry out my skin completely, and I did some research and found that Besan maintains the skin's pH. In the ancient times, it was used as a cleansing agent, basically as a soap. Now, something to keep in mind is that I have oily to combination skin and it works amazing for my skin. However, I don't know using it every day for dry skin type will give the same results. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments which next product you want me to review. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell icon. I will see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.